We can do two things. We can install our WordPress website on our own computer, or we can go for a domain name with web hosting. In this video, I want to tell about the pros and cons of both options. I start with ServerPress. ServerPress is a tool that will enable you to install your WordPress website on your own computer, a Mac or a PC. What are the pros? It costs no money. It is free. You can create a WordPress website on your own computer, see if you like it, and if you don't like it, you did not spam one dime at all. The second pro is that you can make a website when you have no internet connection. If you have all the images on your computer, all the text, you can be in an airplane and you can create a website on your own computer. You don't need an internet connection. And the third one is that nobody can see your website. You can create a website, nobody can see it, and if you're done, you can transfer it for free to a live domain with web hosting. But until then, nobody can see your website. What are the cons? A local server often has more bugs than a live service. So that can be a bummer when you want to work on a website and not everything is working exactly as it should. And a con that actually also is a pro, what I said before, nobody can see your website. It can be nice when you're just building it, but when you want to go live, you cannot use ServerPress for that. Then you need a domain name and web hosting. So I see that as a con. Let's talk about SiteGround. I use SiteGround for all my websites. I love it. So what are the pros? You are visible to the whole world. Everybody in the world can see your website. Your website will work better than on a local server. You can get your own email address. So if you have a domain name verdicorp.com, you can have info@verdicorp.com, which is really nice. You can make your website secure using SSL. So you get an HTTPS URL and you can create unlimited subdomains. So even if you have one domain on SiteGround, you can create a subdomain, for instance, test.verdicorp.com, new.verdicorp.com, elementor.verdicorp.com. So you can play around, create a lot of websites with one domain on SiteGround. What is the con? It costs money. You can see it as a con. I see it as a pro because you pay for something, you get a great product. So I'm really happy with SiteGround. In the next video, I will show you how to get a domain name and web hosting using SiteGround. And in the videos after that, I will show you how to get WordPress on your Mac computer or on your PC.